good afternoon or good evening. Welcome to my video. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to start a research or a project. Okay. So whenever you're asked to do a research project or do research, the first thing they'll ask you is about what is your problem statement. So in order to find a problem, we always look on the journals, right? Because the journals will have some concrete results over there. So thereby we look for journals. So here in my consideration, so I'm going to take IEEE papers. So thereby I go for IEEE Explore. So in IEEE Explore, I'm going to take papers related to it. The first thing you need to do is before finding a problem, you need to choose the domain. So you need to choose the domain in which, so domains like image processing, networks, data mining, and so on. So various number of domains. So in that domain, so what is the part or area in which you're going to do? We have some other sub areas that is related to over there. In networks, we have network security. In data mining, so what kind of other techniques we're going to do. So you need to concentrate on that, and then you need to choose. So after choosing the domain, then about the part. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm confined to computer networks. So I'm going to take computer networks here. So while to find a problem over here, choose the latest paper. That is, if you are in 2019. So take journals. So journals which have concrete results. You can also take conference papers, but conference papers can help you to get an idea. But these journals will have some results, good results, or implemented values will be there. So you can able to choose the journals. So that will help you to find the problems. Choose the latest papers so that you can able to get or updated with what you can able to do. So I'm getting various number of papers over here. You can also apply some filtering mechanism, and thereby you can able to find the latest papers over here. So after getting into a paper, so a latest paper, so you can just check. You have various number of papers that will be available within the years you have chosen, but at the same time you need to choose a paper which must fit along with what you are trying to do. Suppose if you don't have any idea what to do with it, just take all the papers, read it out, and try to find a problem. So how to read a problem? So how to find a problem, right? How to find a problem. So read the paper once, twice, thrice, or even 10 times. So what is my advice is that you start with the introduction part, then before that you need to start reading about the abstract, then the conclusion and future work. So these three will give you a precise idea about what they have, the problem which they have taken, and what is their proposed solution, what is the achievement they have made through their experiments. You can able to identify that. Then slowly get into reading about their proposed mechanism in a detailed manner. Okay. So that you can able to know what kind of techniques, algorithms they have used, what is their experimental setup, and what is the mathematical proof they have made to justify their proposed solution. So you can able to get into that. So what you have to do is that, so after reading into the paper, you need to find a problem over there, any loophole or any enhancement which you can do along with it in such a way that you can able to gain performance. So that is the ultimate idea behind it, right? So this is what you need to find a problem. So once you fix a problem, once you find a problem, do complete literature survey over the problem you have chosen, because you need to know, you may get a problem, the same problem may be a thought of another person also. So they might have already implemented it, right? So you may be able to get an idea to the same problem or to the same topic which you have chosen, what are the other proposed mechanisms have already been done. So in that sense, you can able to identify by doing a literature survey. And after identifying the literature survey, and you can go for a proposed solution, because this is what the possible things is about, and thereby you can able to go for the proposed solution. So after getting into a proposed solution, so that can be only done through a feasibility analysis. So that is what a literature survey is about. So once you have a complete literature survey and you have identified what other people have done before, you can able to identify your own proposed solution apart from that, and also you can able to know the other techniques and algorithms that you can able to make use of for your own proposed solution. So once you are fixed with your proposed solution, so this is what I'm going to do, then you need to go with the architecture. The architecture diagrams, which would comprises of all the components, like the modules which you are proposing to do, which would comprise all those things. Then once the architecture is fixed, then go for implementation. Then once the implementation is over, you need to show the performance evaluation of your proposed system. So the performance evaluation of your proposed system lies in the graph that is comparing against with the existing system. Right? So if you have a performance improvement over the existing system, okay, your idea is good and you can able to show that. Then once again, you need to tell about your own conclusion and future work, right? So this is conclusion and future work, right? So this is what a rough, or you can say a short idea or overall glance, how you need to start a problem and what are the things that you need to get into and how to convert into your paper, right? So in the next video, I'll tell you each and everything about how to write an abstract, how to write an introduction, and how to get into the proposed work, how you need to write all those things, and how you need to implement the proposed solution, and so on. So thank you for your patient listening. Thank you so much.